So it's Thursday, the 20th of April 2023, and I wanted to show you that I have finished the grouting of the Burning of the Clocks mosaic. I'm really pleased with this. I grouted this on Tuesday in approximately 2 hours. I wasn't rushing it, but it was such a straightforward mosaic to grout because it was nice and flat, and most of this is tiles. There's no glass as such apart from little edging bits like this, but all very doable, all very straightforward, thank goodness. I particularly love this gorgeous plate. It was a bowl actually that my friend Nessa gave me. It was one of her rejects from her ceramic work, because she is a ceramic artist. So I'm really pleased that I used this for this mosaic commission because, well, I was going to use it as peacocks for outside, but as it's high fired, I love the texture and it works so well with this mosaic. So the next port of call is to take it over to Brighton. We're going to drive down. Debs is coming over on Sunday, and then on Tuesday we're going to drive down and install it quick as you like, I hope. I've got some L-shaped brackets for the back. I'll be showing you how I do that, and hopefully it'll be very straightforward, as I say, and install it into the fireplace, and it'll look absolutely just right, I hope. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing that. It's going to be quite exciting. Anyway, Caroline Jerrywaller, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.